And so, yeah, here we are with another Top Tech Gear episode. I see lots of you enjoy this type of videos and I really like to make them too. So let's get started. First up, this is a really unique accessory. The first time I saw it, I thought this is freaking genius. It's a neck holder mount and at first glance it might seem like a quirky accessory. However, I generally believe it can be used for some interesting things. This accessory is specifically designed for creators or people who want to create interesting and particular shots. You can attach your iPhone with the built-in Magsafe plate and then simply move around with a POV shot. As I mentioned, one is the place where you can magnetically attach your iPhone. In the box you will find also some other accessories to use with other smartphones or cameras. Then there's a sort of controller with buttons that let you detach the main elastic rope which you wear around your neck. And not only because if you are really lazy, I noticed that you can also use it in order to watch videos on the go. I don't recommend it because you will have the smartphone maybe too close to your eyes, but it's something you can do, so I had to mention it. Next up, moving to a more traditional, we can say, accessory. This is the Cure stand by 12 South. As you know, I'm not a big fan of multiple stands on the desk because I simply prefer to work with only one monitor. I talked about my one monitor MacBook setup a few weeks ago here on the channel, but I have to say that if I had to choose a stand, this one is my choice. This stand has screws that allow you to move it in two directions, making it easily adaptable for all needs. I have tried the fixed version of this stand in the past, which I personally find cleaner and more aesthetic. However, if you're looking for something versatile, you should opt for this version. Anyway, both the versions are available in black and white, and yeah, they are really well designed and they have really premium materials. Next up, we have one product that I am really fond of because it was actually my first purchase that allowed me to run this business. It's something simple but effective, a pen designed to work with your smartphone. Many of you ask me how to start designing, the best software and tools, and I always answer that I began designing my wallpapers with the things I already had. At the beginning, of course, since I didn't have any type of income, I decided to use all my savings to buy an iPhone XS refurbished and this little pen that allowed me to start designing my wallpapers on Procreate. The pen is quite sturdy for its price. I also love some details like the magnetic parts that help you easily place the pen cap. Initially, I consider it as my budget solution for the Apple Pencil. It also comes with a small case to protect it. Anyway, this pen significantly improves iPhone drawing precision, so I highly recommend it. Moving on, I would really like to thank the guys from KUXIU for sponsoring today's video. In fact, speaking of tech gear under 100 euros, I would like to mention something that I'm actually using from the whole video, that is this Boom Mic Arm. They sent me this stand in black version, which matches perfectly with my new microphone. I love the materials and the fact that you can freely move and adapt the microphone's position as you want thanks to this foldable solution. They use the premium quality of iPad arm stand, which I have already featured on the channel, so you know what we are talking about. So if you are interested, make sure to check out the first link in the description. Next up, we have a screwdriver kit from Otto, and here I have to say that I'm so happy to see the attention on details on especially products like this. Try to name another screwdriver kit that is so well designed and produced. It's impossible. The cool thing is that it's also a really budget solution with many practical and easy solutions to solve multiple kinds of problems when building or fixing things. I'm not an expert, but this kit is composed of the main electric screwdriver that can work at 2 levels of speed. There's also a torchlight that is so useful to see where the screw should go. The kit comes with a bunch of other accessories like a pair of pliers, a suction cap and some sort of knife. And there are plenty of different tips to cover practically every solution. It might seem like a small detail, but I have appreciated so much in this design the place where they put the screwdriver. Not only is the junction point that allows the box to be closed, but it's also the place where you can charge it. In this way, you can charge the screwdriver with the box closed and of course using a USB-C. Next up, this is a Magsafe Wallet from Aulumu. This is a product especially designed for iPhone, and I have to say that in general I'm not a big fan of Magsafe wallets because I'm constantly scared of losing it. Anyway, I think this is a good alternative because it's not only a wallet, but you can use it as a stand too. The wallet is made of elegant black leather and you can put up to 3 cards. A cool detail is the possibility to have a quick note at a glance. In fact, there's a part inside the wallet that lets you see the card inside. So, for example, you can put anything you need to see quickly. That is anyway something more that other wallets like this just don't have. And of course, using it as a stand, you can turn your iPhone horizontally and watch videos or read articles without the frustration of finding a place to put your phone. And finally, the last product I would really like to mention is this aesthetic lamp, and I'm a big fan of ambient lights, especially this one because it has some particular features. The first thing I loved is the possibility to move and place the lamp wherever you want. In fact, it has an internal battery that lasts for lots of hours, so you don't have to always plug it in, which is pretty useful. Secondly, the design is awesome. It's made of the main strip light, which is a sort of plastic material that is foldable. In fact, by moving the lamp, you can create random but pleasing and attractive shapes. When you want the straight strip again, you can simply bring it close to the magnet on the top and the magic will happen. I also have the younger sister, which is the mini version, but even if it maintains all the aesthetics, it has a fixed strip light, maybe because of the too small dimension. Anyway, they are awesome and all the people I showed them were just amazed. So in today's video, we explored innovative tech accessories from the neck holder mount to the curve stand and the auto screwdriver kit. I shared my design journey, starting with a budget plan, and introduced the versatile Magsafe wallet and a unique aesthetic lamp. So I really hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, wishing you the best. See you soon.